Hey there, my name is Rita Senier-Coletti, and I'm Talent Acquisition Specialist here at Gray, & Gray. And today, as part of our recruiting corner, we also are highlighting a Get to Know You series. I have with me Frank McCarthy, who was recently promoted to Audit Manager. And I wanted to talk to Frank a little bit about his journey at Gray, & Gray. I know that you started as an intern here. So what was that like?
When I think about Gray, it was always not being just a number and not just being another face in the crowd, and really having people take interest in what you wanted to do and take interest in making sure that I advanced through my career. I felt throughout my internship I was just treated as another staff, so it really made it easy to transition to when I did become a staff member here.
A lot of interns who might have had a prior internship are really surprised, I think, to know when they complete their internship at Gray, that they really were treated as staff.
And I remember times in my first month that I was, interacting with a partner and a manager on a job and being right out there in the room doing interviews with the client.
When you started, did you know that you wanted to be in audit and assurance?
Not at all.
Okay.
It was something that I wanted to give a try. The things about it that really just interested me was being able to be out in the field with a team, really working with other people. I just thought it was really cool to have that kind of level of interaction and availability to see these clients and work with the people at Gray who have been there for so long. And I thought that was really the part that made me want to stay in audit, and that's why I'm still doing it today.
Now you're a staff person and you're thinking about your future. What did that look like to you?
Gray really let me do my master's program while being an intern, and then as I was into a staff, I was still doing my master's program. And I think the great part about it was it's just this very
organic
level approach to getting promoted. And I think another great thing is they're always looking ahead. It's always about the next role.
Right.
And, how can we get you to that spot, and how we can groom you to be in the partner director role.
You feel that you were supported, and what's your goals here?
I guess my goals are to kind of fall into the steps of some of the people that supported me throughout my first 7 years, and they always wanted to make sure I was advancing. So now I feel a real obligation to take some of these staff that are just coming in and show the enthusiasm that I had when I came in, and advance them, because that's what we need and that's what we want to do.
I think having the right people, such as yourself, in the management role, grooming and kind of building up the staff to be, to fill the shoes and to be the next leaders of the firm.
Yeah, exactly.